Good morning, student. I am Ramveer from Maths Academy. Today we will discuss the chapter 4, the age of industrialization. So, first of all, we will discuss about the early period of industries, where the first factory came up in Europe. In Britain, in England, in the 17th century, there are a lot of the people who wanted to spread their production across the countries in different part of the world. So they wanted establishment of any particular trades which is established by the factory in particular region or in villages. So first factory in the world established in England, and when there were no factory there in England or in Europe, it was called proto-industrialization. What is proto-industrialization? First of all, proto-industrialization is the early period of industries when all the things were made by hands only. It was the time when all the goods were made by hands. For example, basket making and cotton, threads and etc. There were many work under this proto-industrialization. Then factories came up in Europe. Suddenly, people demanded more and more goods which are cheap and very good furnished goods. So, industrialization think that they establish industries which give a mass production for the people. Actually, in Europe, population increased day by day, so the demand of the goods or industrial production increased. So, early factories came up in England, metals, iron and steel factories, cotton industries, fabric industries, and many industries established in every part of Europe. Then labor. What was the condition of the labor? Labor was abundant in every part of Europe. France, England, and Germany have a vast country. They have the lot of millions of people live in this country. So they divided the work according to their skills. Labor migrate from villages to cities for search of job. They wanted good work. Seasonality of work was there, and labor wages were low, and work is very much at that time. Working hard are so much than the compare of the wages. So the conditions of the labor was not good at that time. Suddenly Victorian period came up, and the demand of the workers increased in winter seasons. Always all the work were done in winters at the time of the repair of the many things, ships and transportations. So this was the time when the machines were introduced. Then in colonial period, what were the conditions of the factory in colonial period? In India, trade guild were very popular. Trade guilds. What were the trade guilds? These were the associations of the traders or workers. They control the production, trade, and new merchants. If arise came in any cities, then they control the whole trade system in our country. Then old ports in India, old ports declined, such as Surat, Hooghly, Machilipatnam. These were the old ports, and they declined in 19th century because from the beginning of 17th century, European used these trade. But after some times, when British got the monopoly right of trade, they established political power in India, in Karnataka and Bengal, and after that they established new ports, Mumbai and Calcutta. So the importance of the old port decreased day by day. They fell dramatically, and all the production or all the activities involved in this port were damaged. So old ports declined in India. So what happened at the conditions of the Manchester? When Manchester goods, Manchester came in India. Manchester, very famous city of England, and established production of the cotton, and all the cotton were sold in Indian market at the cheap rate. When it was arrived in India, so the demand of the Indian goods decreased. So it give a bad effect on the merchant and traders of Indian, and it totally ruined the work of the weavers. Weavers always lost all the things in India. So students, thanks today.